Hey, were you wanting an apartment tour? Okay, we'll start off with the kitchen right over here. You can see we've got a nice oven, sink, no dishwasher. Obviously, we always do our dishes right away. We have a fridge, nice new fridge. We have a very open concept living room space, mini fridge, microwave, TV, bar cart. We're all 21. Couches, lots of room for people to come over and hang out. Then if you'll follow me this way. Oh, our coat closet. We also use it as a pantry. 3 shelves right there with some coats and cleaning stuff. Then over here, these are our sinks. We have double sinks, which is super nice when there's 4 of us getting ready. Here is my roommate's room. I didn't ask them permission to come in here, so hopefully they don't care. Room one of 2 rooms. Then this is my room and my roommate's room. Obviously the first thing I do every day is make my bed. And we have a great view of the prairie outside if you want to take a look out the window. What a great camera crew I have. Then I'll show you the closet space. It's pretty big actually, so the closets are connected, but we have 2 separate doors. Lots of room. Then you can come this way, and we have our bathroom, shower, bathroom, and storage space right here.